Hi, I'm Anna. I work in the creator space and I had Rouzati Rugs do my stair runner at my last home and I loved how it turned out. Featured it on my blog and I get questions about it all the time. It's definitely one of my most frequently asked questions. So I recently moved. I'm still within the same neighborhood, um, but I needed new area rugs, especially for my main living space. And I went into Rouzati and they pulled so many rugs for me. I mean, they have the biggest assortment imaginable. And I gave them my color schemes and kind of what material I was looking for, design, and they pulled a ton of rugs. We narrowed it down to just a handful, and then they actually brought them over to the space where I could test out and see how it looked. And that was huge. That was probably the most helpful part because the rug is a pretty big investment. You're going to look at it every day and they truly tie the room together. So being able to have Rouzati and their team bring it into my space, move my furniture around to see how it looks was just the best thing ever. So I picked a rug. I love it. I'm so excited. And I love Rouzati Rugs. So they do stair runners and area rugs, and I couldn't be happier with their customer service.